Hi, my name is Michael Marusic, and I was introduced to Dr. Sutherland's Smiles by Sutherland through my dentist. I'm kind of a late starter in the dental corrective process, if you will. I noticed as I was starting to get a little bit older that my teeth were becoming crowded, both in the upper and the lower portion of my jaw. And I wanted to try to do something to make my teeth a little bit more presentable. I do a lot of work in the public-facing presentation and speaking engagements. And I wanted to try and see if there wasn't something I could do to make it just a little bit more appealing, both for the people that were watching me give these presentations and for myself. I asked my dentist if he could refer me to somebody that had experience in dealing with older patients, patients who weren't in their early years, weren't children, weren't teenagers, but somebody that was coming into it a little bit later in life. I also asked that we consider options where braces, the regular standard metal braces, weren't the only thing that would be considered, especially in the line of work that I do. Because of the fact that I do a lot of public speaking, the Invisalign braces that Dr. Sutherland offered gave me the advantage of being able to take them out when I was making presentations or giving public speeches. And that gave me a little bit more comfort in presenting to my audiences. Although with the Invisalign braces, I realized that 90% of the time when I had them in, people didn't even recognize that. So that made me feel a little better about it also. When I first came into Dr. Sutherland's office, I was introduced to not only Dr. Sutherland but his staff. They made me feel like I was part of a family. They actually cared about why I was there, and they wanted to make sure that all the needs that I had outlined were met. And I think they did an excellent job of doing that. Through all of the adjustments that were made during the course of my treatment, I came away with what I consider to be a really nice smile.
At the centerpiece of our dental